Hello, welcome to the new episode of The Sky This Week. In this program, we will highlight the celestial objects and events observable in the night sky. Also, interesting astronomical events happening in the week. This week, we have a special annual event, an event which marks the change of season on the Earth. On September 22nd, Sun will cross the plane of Earth's equator at around 7 pm. This event is called the autumnal equinox. At that moment, Sun will be exactly above the Earth's equator. On the day of equinox, Sun will be exactly on the Earth's equator and the Sun will rise in due east and set at due west. Because of this, duration of the day and night are equal. This happens twice a year, one on March 21st or 22nd and another on September 22nd or 23rd. On all other days, duration of the day and night are unequal. Let us now look at celestial objects in the night sky of this week. In the evening, as usual, we can find pole star using Cassiopeia constellation and hence know the cardinal directions. Jupiter rises at 2 pm followed by Saturn at around 2:30 pm and they set at around midnight. They can be seen 8 degrees apart. As this is the first quarter of lunar month, waxing moon can be observed in the western sky. Mars in Pisces rises at 8 pm and sets around 7 in the morning. On 25th September, Jupiter, Saturn and Moon will form a triangle. In the early morning, around 4:30 am, brilliantly shining Venus, which is in Cancer, will be just above the horizon. Note that Venus will be always seen in the east at dawn. Hence, Venus can also be useful as direction indicator. Constellation Gemini can be recognized by its two stars, Castor and Pollux, which are separated by 4 degrees. Brightest star of the night sky, Sirius or Lubdaka, can be seen here. Procyon can be identified between Pollux and Sirius. You can't miss the majestic view of Orion constellation, which is just above the Sirius. Also find bright stars of south, Canopus or Agastya and Akarnar or Vaitharni Mukhi.